Extreme fear grips the market at 25,100, yet BNB defies gravity with a 2.6% breakout. Good day and welcome to Aurelian Wealth. The crypto market is bathed in red this July 31st, with Bitcoin holding $63,793 and a total market cap anchored around 1.28 trillion. Sentiment has slipped into extreme fear territory, and the tone across the majors is decidedly bearish. Only BNB bucks the trend, printing green. With RSI readings hovering in oversold adjacent zones, traders are asking whether this is capitulation or the calm before a bounce. Bitcoin trades at $63,793, down 0.2% on the day and 2.4% over the week. The RSI 14 reads 34.1, neutral but leaning oversold, signaling that selling pressure may be nearing exhaustion. However, the MACD tells a more cautious story. At 121.65 against its signal line of 7.09, the histogram sits at a deeply bearish -14.56, confirming downside momentum still rules. Key support holds firm at 62,742, while resistance caps upside at 65,745. Traders eyeing longs should consider a stop loss just below the 62,428 zone to guard against a breakdown. Not financial advice, or. Ethereum sits at $1,888.66, down 0.8% on the day and virtually flat over the week at 0.1%. The RSI 14 reads 35.4, neutral yet approaching oversold conditions, suggesting fading downside energy. The MACD histogram at 3.32 below its signal of 1.97 keeps momentum bearish for now. ETH is defending support at $1,848 with overhead resistance at $1,081. A protective stop loss near 847 would shield positions if that floor cracks. Not financial advice, BNB is today's clear champion, climbing 2.6% on the day and 3.6% over the week to $592.07, defying the broader fear-driven sell-off. Its market cap of $78.9 billion keeps it firmly in fourth place. Meanwhile, the stablecoins Tether and USDC remain rock steady at $1, with market caps of $183.7 billion and $71.9 billion respectively, a sign investors are parking capital on the sidelines. Ethereum was the softest of the non-stable majors, slipping under the weight of bearish MACD momentum. On the trending radar today, Moon Dogecoin, Pudgy Penguins, and Giggle Fund are lighting up social feeds. These names ride waves of community hype and meme-fueled momentum rather than fundamentals, making them highly speculative. Pudgy Penguins continues leveraging its NFT-to-token brand crossover, while Moon Dogecoin and Giggle Fund thrive on viral attention. Remember, trending doesn't mean safe. Volatility here can be brutal, so size positions with extreme caution. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index reads 25 out of 100, squarely in extreme fear. This signals cautious investors and elevated selling pressure, but historically these zones have also marked accumulation opportunities for the patient. On the whale front, our trackers logged no major BTC transfers above $1 million in the last 24 hours. That quiet on-chain activity suggests large holders are sitting tight, waiting for clearer direction before deploying capital. Over the next 24 to 48 hours, all eyes are on Bitcoin's $62,742 support. A hold here keeps the door open for a retest of $65,745 resistance. For Ethereum, defending $1,848 is critical, with $1,981 as the upside target. With the Fear and Greed Index at 25 and MACD momentum still bearish, macro headwinds from the Fed and a firm dollar could keep pressure on risk assets. Manage risk tightly, respect your stops, and avoid over-leverage in fearful conditions. Not financial advice, Here's today's Bitcoin setup, a long position. Entry sits at $63,793 with a stop loss at $62,428.6 and a take profit target of $65,080.51, giving a risk-reward ratio of 1:2.9. The rationale, an RSI of 34.1 hints at seller exhaustion near support, offering a potential bounce play. Be aware the MACD histogram at -114.56 remains bearish, so this is a counter-trend setup requiring discipline. Honor that stop loss without hesitation. Not financial advice. Now the Ethereum setup, also a long. Entry at 188.66, stop loss at 847.60, and take profit at 1,927.31 for a risk-reward ratio of 1.9. The logic mirrors Bitcoin. An RSI of 35.4 approaches oversold near the $1,848 support floor, setting up a potential relief bounce. But with the MACD histogram at 332 still bearish, momentum hasn't flipped yet, so keep that stop tight and don't chase if price breaks lower. Not financial advice, Dior. If this recap sharpened your edge, smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Daily crypto recaps, technical analysis, and whale alerts drop right here on Aurelian Wealth.